Every second, the air around you carries an invisible storm. Dust, pollen, bacteria, and countless microscopic life forms drift silently through the world. Most pass by without consequence, unnoticed by the eyes of billions of people. But hidden within this endless ocean of particles are organisms that have evolved for one purpose: survival at any cost. Among these unseen travelers exists a master of biological deception, an organism so small it escapes notice, yet powerful enough to challenge one of the most protected organs in the human body.
This is Cryptococcus. It does not hunt like a predator. It has no teeth, claws, or venom. At first glance, it appears almost harmless, a tiny fungal cell among millions of other microbes. But appearances can be dangerously misleading. Over millions of years, evolution has transformed this microscopic fungus into a specialist of survival. Instead of brute force, it relies on disguise, patience, and manipulation. In the biological world, deception can be deadlier than violence. The attack begins in the most ordinary way imaginable, with a breath. Humans inhale thousands of liters of air every day without a second thought. Along with oxygen comes an endless stream of microscopic particles. Most are filtered out and destroyed, but occasionally fungal spores hidden within the air currents slip through the body's defenses unnoticed. A single inhalation can become the opening move in an invasion no one realizes has begun.
The spores descend through branching airways and finally settle deep inside the lungs. This environment is warm, moist, and filled with nutrients, the perfect place for many microorganisms to survive. But the lungs are not undefended territory. Waiting within this landscape are powerful immune cells, microscopic guardians constantly searching for foreign invaders. For most threats, this is where the story ends. But Cryptococcus follows different rules. The body's alarm system activates immediately. Macrophages, specialized immune cells, move toward the intruder. Their mission is simple: identify, capture, and destroy anything that does not belong. Millions of these cellular defenders patrol the body every moment of every day. Their efficiency keeps humanity alive. They surround the fungal cells, preparing to eliminate the threat before it can spread further.
Then something unexpected happens. Cryptococcus changes. Around itself, it builds a thick, protective capsule, a biological shield unlike ordinary armor. This outer layer does more than provide protection. It changes how the immune system sees the organism itself. The fungus begins to hide its identity, masking dangerous signals that would normally reveal its presence. The invader is no longer simply defending itself. It is becoming invisible. Confusion spreads through the microscopic battlefield. The immune system depends on recognition. Every attack requires certainty. But the disguise interferes with that process. Signals become distorted. The invader no longer appears entirely foreign. The defenders hesitate. In biology, hesitation can be catastrophic. While the immune system struggles to recognize the threat, the fungus gains the one thing every invader needs: time. The deception reaches another level. Instead of being destroyed after capture, some fungal cells survive inside the very immune cells meant to eliminate them. The hunters become carriers. The prison becomes transportation. Hidden within macrophages, Cryptococcus now travels through the body under the protection of the system designed to stop it. One of nature's oldest strategies is unfolding again, the enemy concealed inside the defender.
Through blood vessels and tissues, the infected immune cells continue their journey. To the body, these cells appear normal. Security barriers remain open. No alarms are triggered. Hidden within this biological Trojan horse, Cryptococcus moves steadily toward a destination few organisms ever reach. Ahead lies one of the most heavily guarded regions in the human body, the brain.
Protecting the brain is an extraordinary structure known as the blood-brain barrier. Its purpose is absolute control. Harmful organisms, toxins, and dangerous molecules are normally denied entry. But Cryptococcus has arrived carrying stolen credentials. Concealed within immune cells and using additional molecular tricks, the fungus approaches the final line of defense. Slowly, almost invisibly, the barrier begins to fail. Once inside, the mission changes completely. Survival becomes expansion. The fungal cells begin multiplying, spreading across delicate neural environments. Pressure rises, inflammation increases. Signals that normally allow the brain to function become disrupted. A microscopic organism that entered through a single breath now occupies one of the most complex structures ever created by evolution. Nature often rewards strength, speed, and aggression. But sometimes the most dangerous weapon is deception itself. Cryptococcus demonstrates a terrifying reality. Survival does not always belong to the strongest organism. Sometimes it belongs to the one capable of hiding in plain sight, manipulating its enemies and turning defenses into opportunities. A tiny fungal cell, silent, invisible, and patient, can transform a simple breath into a battle for the human brain.
The deadliest invaders are not always the strongest. Sometimes survival belongs to those capable of becoming something they are not.